Lightening body scrub at home with simple ingredients you already have. 1. Salt. Begin by adding salt to your bowl for its cleansing properties. 2. Follow with sugar to gently exfoliate the skin. 3. Turmeric. Incorporate a pinch of turmeric for its anti-inflammatory benefits. 4. Honey. Drizzle in some honey for its soothing and antibacterial effects. 5. Coconut oil. Add coconut oil to deeply moisturize and protect the skin. 6. Lemon juice. Squeeze in lemon juice for a dose of vitamin C and to help lighten dark spots. 7. Coffee. Mix in coffee grounds to stimulate circulation and brighten the complexion. 8. Shower gel. Finish with a dollop of your favorite shower gel to bind all the ingredients together and add a pleasant scent. Mix well until you achieve a consistent paste, and your homemade skin brightening scrub is ready to use. For more remedies, subscribe and drop a "Yes, I will try it." Yes, I need more. Thank you very much.